Hello, hello. So it is my lunchtime, and today on the menu is spicy cheese meatballs, and that's it. So sometimes what I'm noticing with these keto recipes, either I'll have a vegetable incorporated with my breakfast or supper or lunch, and sometimes it's just a plain protein with high fat. So on average, I'm getting about 2 vegetable servings a day. And yeah, so today it's just meatballs. So here's what we're gonna do. This recipe for my lunch calls for half a pound of hamburger, which is equivalent to about 8 ounces. And these are handy dandy, my little food scale. So if you're not sure how to convert pounds, ounces, and whatnot, this is like a really handy tool. I use this a lot. Okay, that's a lot of hamburger meat. Holy hell. I am hungry, but I hope I can eat all this. Okay, and then it's gonna call for, I can't talk. I'm so sleep deprived. I was up really early this morning just because I couldn't sleep. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna put the cheese in here. Okay, and then it calls for 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Oh, it's so much fun to eat this, all this high fat. Like, I know. And you're probably questioning, how do you lose weight when you're eating all this fat? But you're using this fat as your new form of energy. So it's all down to a science, but it works. Okay, and then we're gonna do, it was calling for 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1, 2. Again, I just use, I eyeball what I think a tablespoon is. And then we're doing 1.5 teaspoons of red pepper or paprika powder. Paprika. Whoa! Oh, a little dash. There, that's good. 2 pinches of chili powder. So I would consider that a pinch. Guess it depends how spicy you like it. Alrighty, and then that's it. My daughter's like losing it. So my daughter is recording this for us right now. And she's like, you probably hear you giggling in the background. For some reason, I'm amusing her. So we're just gonna mix this all up. It looks like it's gonna make a pretty soggy meatball. I don't know. I'm gonna have to eat this more like a loaf or something, but I'm gonna try to meatball this. And I think it says meatball this. I told you guys, I warned you, I am tired and sleep deprived. My brain is very foggy today. How many meatballs? Doesn't say how many you get out of this, but this looks like enough to feed a small country. It's like crazy. There's a lot of food here. Anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all this. Okay, so if you wanna follow me over to my frying pan. All right. Okay, so I have a nice hot skillet waiting for me. I'm not sure how big you like your meatballs. That I'm rolling my meatballs to. I guess I'm gonna make mine smaller because I want them to cook a little more evenly. Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Brian, how big do you like your meatballs? Okay, so yeah, put them in a hot skillet, roll them on up. And that's it. I will let you know. I'll take a picture of the end product, what they look like cooked, and I will give you my review on how they taste. But I think they're going to be pretty good. All right. Sorry for all the... Okay, I'm really not sorry. It's all part of the fun. It's real life, right? Okay, you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll talk to you again.